Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something special for those who appreciate both style and sustainability. We're diving into the world of home organization with the OrganiHaus woven baskets, specifically designed to revolutionize your laundry game. Let me tell you why this is the best natural laundry basket you can get your hands on. First off, it's crafted from natural, hand-woven cotton rope, making it not only eco-friendly but also incredibly durable. What sets this apart is its seamless blend of style and functionality. Unlike typical laundry baskets, the OrganiHaus adds a touch of modern boho flair to any room. Whether it's in the nursery, living room, or laundry area, it effortlessly complements your decor. But wait, there's more. This basket isn't just a pretty face. It's spacious, with ample room to hold everything from blankets to toys to laundry. And those big, easy carry handles? They make transportation a breeze. Plus, it's built to last. Unlike traditional baskets that may fray or fall apart over time, the OrganiHaus is designed to withstand the test of time. No more worrying about replacing your laundry basket every few months. And here's the best part. It's not just a laundry basket. It's a versatile storage solution for any room in your home. From organizing toys to storing craft supplies, the possibilities are endless. So if you're ready to elevate your home organization game with the best natural laundry basket out there, look no further than the OrganiHaus woven baskets. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy organizing!